Okay, look how fun this glass shaker is. I love a glass shaker because you can see what you're pouring. This one is great because it has the measurements, has ounces, milliliter, and it even has different recipes. So for a mojito, it tells you exactly what you need, tells you exactly how to mix it together. Long Island iced tea, Mai Tai, White Russian, Sex on the Beach, and a couple other things too. The top is also really nice because it has this like silicone piece. I've used quite a few different shakers and a lot of them don't have that silicone piece, so it always leaks everywhere when you're shaking it. And this one is cool because on the recipes that it includes, it even gives you like the lines. So if you're making a White Russian, can you see that? This is how much vodka you'd put in, Kahlua, and light cream. You also have the like strainer on top, so if you're mixing in like fruits or garnishes, it's not going to get into your drink. I guess you would want garnishes in your drink, but if you're mixing it just for the flavor, I'm gonna just fill it with water so you can see. But it's super convenient to have the measuring stuff on there, because normally when I'm like making drinks and cocktails, I have to have a shot glass or what is that called? Whatever, with me to make sure. So we're just gonna do the water leak proof test. So I just have water in it. Shake, shake, shake. Upside down, no leaks at all. And then I would obviously take the little top off to pour it. We're gonna pour it over the sink. I don't know, can you see that? And it comes out so nicely. So 10 out of 10 from me. The brand actually sent it to me. We are in the process of doing our bar downstairs. So once it's done, this is gonna sit out because it's nice and cute too. So it's gonna sit out and get put to good use.